I have a ritual when I buy anything. It has to do with how I spend and receive money. Hi, can I get a black coffee, please? Yeah, grande. So maybe you notice I closed my eyes when I handed her the money. I'm going to tell you what's going on there. So the technique here is called the Arigato Money Technique, and it comes from Ken Honda. So we're back in my office. Let me tell you what exactly is this technique. So Ken is famous for being Japan's biggest writer. He's written over 50 books in Japanese. And one of his projects was to interview 12,000 millionaires in Japan and understand how they think about the world and what unique beliefs gave them their edge. One of the people Ken Honda got to approach was Wahei Takeda, the Japanese billionaire, often known as the Warren Buffett of Japan. Ken asked Wahei Takeda for his secret, and Wahei said, "I'll teach you a simple technique. It's called Arigato Money."
So Wahei's teaching was rather unique. His teaching was very Zen. And the answer to my question, what is the secret to wealth? He said, it's very simple. Arigato your money. And I didn't get it. Arigato your money? And he said, yes, with a big smile. Just arigato your money. That means appreciating your money. The thing I didn't know at the time was by saying arigato in, arigato out, I also had the practice of appreciation without knowing. I realized after a few days, by saying thank you or arigato to your money, I felt very good about myself, my life, and I didn't know that was the effect of arigato in, arigato out. And also, I ended up making more money, or rather I'd say, I ended up receiving more money because the money kept coming in a very mysterious way. Whenever I went to his office or on the way back, in Nagoya, I always got the text message from my publishers that I got another reprints of my books in the past, which is always strange because always that good news comes in when I was with Wahei. And I think it was because I was in this mode of appreciating so much, I somehow attracted abundance.
So I arigatoed when I bought this cup of Starbucks. It was a statement of blessing. But I also arigatoed recently when I had to sign a $100,000 check to a tech company providing us with a service we needed. That is also a form of arigatoing the money. So when you receive money with arigato and you give money with arigato, what you're doing is in your mind establishing this circular flow that money flows through you with blessings, with grace, with ease. This is the secret that Wahei Takeda spoke of in terms of the true mindset of the rich. And Ken Honda says what you start to find is that you eliminate your stress and your anxiety around money, and you start seeing more money come to you because what you appreciate appreciates. And you also see that what you are buying with your money comes to you in the most positive way. So it's a beautiful technique that I've been using in my life. If you found this idea interesting, join me and Ken Honda in our upcoming masterclass on Mindvalley, where we're going deep in the psychology and the mindset and the EQ of money.